Hey guys, so I want to show you my website really quick. You can actually start searching for properties online, buying or renting. So you're going to type in the city or neighborhood right in the search. And it'll come up in a couple different ways. So one of the ways is in a map view. You can zoom in. I like the list view better, so I did click on the list view. And that way you have pictures. You can check out a little bit more information, square footage. You can see when there's an open house coming up, price drops on the market. And what is really great about this is actually you can save and favorite properties that you like. You can even create an account on my website, and I'll be able to look at what you liked and help you out from there. Thank you.